Hey friends, it's Mia and
Megan.
today we're here at Port Orleans French Quarter. We are here to do some pin trading and we're here for some delicious Tiana's beignets as well. And then after we do our pin trading here, we're gonna head over to Port Orleans Riverside. So let's go on this pin trading adventure. Sorry about that, it's the bus. Anyway, let's head into Port Orleans for a pin trading day. So our first pin trading board is here at Concierge. I'm going to ask the cast member to let me take a look at the pin trading board. So here are the pins here at the Concierge. Let's see here. I don't think I see anything for me. Okay, thank you very much. So our next pin board is here at Jackson Square. There might be two here. I'm not sure. But here it goes. There's the pin board. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So here's our second pin board.
Choose two numbers to potentially randomly trade.
Oh, that's cool. We can do that. We can do that. The cast member has her pouch on her, and I see a really cool Diablo pin there. But we're going to take a look and see what we can trade for here. So I'm going to pick up the Aurora sneaker pin, and I'm going to leave the Little Mermaid notepad pin with pencil. And then this one here looks like it's Flora from Sleeping Beauty. So I think I'm gonna get this pin right here. It looks like one of those Russian dolls, really cute. And I think I'm gonna leave this Disneyland Jack Skellington pin behind. So we have these mystery boxes that you can select two numbers. I'm going to select 22 and the 13 because today is the 13th. Pain and Panic, cool.
And then you said 13?
Yeah.
And Bell.
And Bell. I think Pain and Panic should have been on 13. Okay, I want you to pick two numbers on the board. What number? Pick numbers. What number? Pick a number. No, you don't have to go over there. Just say the number. Say the number. Say it. Which number? 15?
15, feeling good?
Okay, let's see what he pulled. He pulled Jafar. Not that one.
Okay, not
We'll try another one. Ricky, come here, hon. Ricky, one more. Come here, buddy. One more. One more pin. Pick a number. What number? See the numbers? You already picked 15, so pick something else. What number? One. No, he picked one. What did Ricky get? A shoe. That's really cute.
Yeah.
That is that Jasmine?
I think maybe an Ariel.
Oh,
Has the
Ariel,
tail,
that's right. Oh, that is so cute. So we did really well, I think. And let's see, we are going to check out the pins here. Because maybe we'll buy a mystery pack and we'll open it for you guys while we're here. And then we'll buy one at Port Orleans Riverside as well. Let's see. Let's see if they have any mystery packs. All right. Let's see what we got here.
And now 98.
I don't think I need any of those. The munchlings are so popular. I'm not a munchling person, but they are very popular. So we didn't find any pins that we needed, so we didn't buy any of the mystery packs. But right now we're at the Scat Cat Club, and we are going to pick up our beignets. So there's a pin board here at the Scat Cats Cafe. It's a small pin board. I think I see maybe one pin that I might be interested in, but I don't know. Let's see when it gets a little closer. So here's the pin board here. It's a very small pin board, and the cast member said it's new, so that's why I haven't seen it here before. Here is Ricky's double beignet sundae. Chocolate and vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, fudge, or chocolate ganache, I'm sorry. Then there is a cherry on top. Look how good, oh, it is melting. We're gonna eat this real quick. Ricky, why don't you grab, what do you got in your mouth? Oh, the cherry? Okay, Ricky. All right, you wanna give me that? Thanks. Ricky, why don't you grab a beignet? Yeah, show it. Yeah, there you go. He's gonna show it all right. He's gonna eat it. Oh, it's so good. It's all drippy. So delicious. I come here for the atmosphere and the beignets. I have some ice cream on it. Stay here at this resort at Port Orleans, French Quarter. Stay here just for these. So good. Highly recommend the double beignet, double scoop, ice cream, Mickey sundae. Highly recommend. It's so good. And that chocolate ganache, it's not like your regular syrupy kind of flavor. That ganache is delicious. We also got 6 beignets to take home with us. Not good for the waistline. Not good for that, but it's so good. And we had to because we were here. Might as well pick it up now. Here's the smallest pin board ever because it's on raised bottom. Wow. Isn't that cute pins? I'm going to check out that aerial one. Okay. Look, we did good here. We had our snack. We're taking some beignets home. And we're going to head over to Port Orleans Riverside. It is a super hot day, and usually I like to walk, but I'm not walking today. It's super hot out. So we're going to take the car over to Port Orleans Riverside because it's next door. So we are here at Port Orleans Riverside. We're going to go check and see if the luggage area, has a pin board before we go inside. So they have a pin board, but instead of going to the right, you need to go to the left. So that's going to be our first pin board outside of Port Orleans Riverside. It's where Bell Services is. So here's the pin board at Bell Services at Port Orleans Riverside. I don't see anything for me. So there's a second pin board, and then there's a third one. But anyway, the second one is at the Disney Vacation Club. So we're going to check that one out next. Okay, so here's the pin board at Disney Vacation Club. Nothing for us here. Now we're going in Fulton's General Store. I don't know if they have 1 or 2 pin boards here. Most likely they just have one, but we're going to check it out. And I want to see if there's any pins I want to purchase so I can do an unboxing or in packaging for you guys today. Our next pin board, it's at the back of the store. The cast member is rearranging the pins. Let's see what we can find here. So I'm going to drop Disneyland's Winnie the Pooh, and I'm going to pick up Scarlet Witch, the t-shirt pin. I don't have this pin, and it looks pretty cool. So there may be some cast members with their lanyards on them. I do see one, and that's where we're going right now. The cast member had her lanyard on her, but it was kind of low on her body, so I didn't film it. But there was nothing for us there. And right now, we're going to pick up a mystery pin pouch, and we're going to open it when we get back to the car, maybe in here, we'll see. So there is one more area we are going to check. Oh, wait a minute. There's another pin board here, and then there's one of those mystery boxes that you can choose two. So we're going to do both. So here's the pin board, and here's the mystery box. Oh, this looks like a pretty good board. There's a butterfly over here. I'm going to go check that pin out. Ricky, pick out two numbers. What number? Pick out number.
1.
You want 1? Don't touch it. Just look. Hold on. Let's see what you got. What did you get, Ricky? What pin is that? Okay. No, not that one.
Okay.
Ricky, do you want to pick another one number out? Pick another number. What number?
2.
2. You wait back here. Okay, Ricky, what did you get? You got Mother Gothel. No, we don't need that one either.
Okay.
I'm going to do number 13 for Friday the 13th.
It's been popular today.
It has? No, not that one either. It's cute. It's Mickey. I would have thought there was something Halloween in there, but no. No, let's try number 22.
I don't think there's anything Halloween here.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, yes. Oh, I like that one. The Star Wars pins magically appeared. Here's the jumbo pin with Luke and Vader, and here's the mystery pack, and here's the slider pin with Luke.
You want a sticker?
Here's the pins we picked up today on our little pin trading excursion. We picked up the Aurora sneaker, the Flora, and I'm thinking it's Flora, the Russian doll, and Pain and Panic, Donald, 4th of July. We did pick up the t-shirt pin, but we traded for the headband pin because I like this one better. One more look at the pins. Okay, there's one more thing we got to do before we leave here, is open the mystery pouch, the silver mystery pouch. So why don't we do that right now? Here we go. Wonder who we got. Oh, just fell on the floor. Not another one. Really? R2? Again? It's not what I wanted. That's what happens with these mystery pouches. Thank you, Ricky. Oh, no. Another one. Another evil queen. I think we're going to go back in there and get another mystery pouch. So I'll be right back. Okay, friends. This is bag number 2. Now, I opened the top, but I didn't look inside. So here we go. Gee, I hope we don't get duplicates. Okay, so I already have this one. Oh no, come on now. Really? Really? Again? Okay, I'm quitting for today. That's it for today. Better luck next time. Okay, well, that'll do it for us today. I guess we're going to say what we always say at the end of these videos. We had a lot of fun. It was an exciting day. But we'll see you in the next video real soon. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.